Contoh kata sifat. Example of adjective. Gede, big. Gede, big. Letik, small. Letik, small. Lauk di laut. Ayat nu agang. Ayat nu alit. There are big and small fish in the ocean. Caang, bright. Caang, bright. Poek, dark. Poek, dark. Langit meni caang ari siang terus poek pagi. The sky is bright in daytime and it is dark at night. Ting trim, calm. Ting trim, calm. Kuring arasa ting trim. I feel calm. Bingung, confused. Bingung, confused. Ula bingung. Please don't get confused. Kotor, dirty. Kotor, dirty. Bersih, clean. Bersih, clean. Lawan bersih na eta kotor. The opposite of clean is dirty. Hese, hard. Hese, hard. Babari, easy. Babari, easy. Lawan babari na eta hese. The opposite of easy is hard. Indah, beautiful. Indah, beautiful. Pemandangan indah. The view is beautiful. Jujur, honest. Jujur, honest. Bohong, dishonest. Bohong, dishonest. Lawan kata jujur na eta bohong. The opposite of honest is dishonest. Kasep, handsome. Gelis, beautiful. Kasep, handsome. Gelis, beautiful. Budi kasep, wati gelis. Budi is handsome, wati is beautiful. Rajin, hardworking. Rajin, hardworking. Kedul, lazy. Kedul, lazy. Lawan kata kedul na eta rajin. The opposite of lazy is hardworking. Borangan, scared. Borangan, scared. Manian, brave. Manian, brave. Pinter, smart. Pinter, smart. Dadan budak pinter. Dadan is a smart boy. Melang, worry. Melang, worry. Tong melang, don't worry. Mahal, expensive. Mahal, expensive. Murah, cheap. Murah, cheap. Lawan kata mahal na ita murah. The opposite of expensive is cheap. Pahit, bitter. Pahit, bitter. Amis, sweet. Amis, sweet. Raos, delicious. Raos, delicious. Masakan buatan ahli na sok raos. The food made by the expert is always delicious. Rucksack, broken. Rucksack, broken. Mobil rucksack gara-gara tabrakan. The car is broken because of the accident.